This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get money off Robinhood. To start, open your Robinhood app and tap the account icon. Then, select Transfers and choose Transfer to your bank. You'll need to have a linked bank account ready. Enter the specific amount you want to withdraw. Remember, standard withdrawals typically take 3 to 5 business days to process and appear in your bank account. Understanding withdrawal limits is crucial for a smooth experience. For standard transfers, you can generally withdraw up to $50,000 per business day. If you need funds faster, instant withdrawals are an option for smaller amounts, typically up to $1,000, but these may have specific eligibility requirements. Always confirm your linked bank account is fully verified to prevent any unnecessary holdups. Sometimes, withdrawals can encounter hiccups. A common reason for delays is having insufficient settled funds. Remember, stock sales take a few business days to settle. Another issue might be an unverified bank account. Double-check all your linked account details. If you face persistent problems or your withdrawal is rejected, don't hesitate to reach out to Robinhood's customer support for personalized assistance. To ensure a seamless experience, adopt a few smart withdrawal strategies. Always plan your transfers in advance, keeping daily and monthly limits in mind to avoid any surprises. It's also a good practice to periodically review your linked bank account details to ensure they are current and accurate. Finally, remember that funds from recent stock sales typically take 2 business days to settle before they are available for withdrawal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.